Hi everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform, and there is a big news for all of you. We are starting a course, a theory course for the inorganic chemistry for the CSIR NET as well as GATE exams. For both the exams this will be, and here we will cover unit 1st, unit 2nd and unit 3rd. In unit 1st you will see whole the periodic trends, whole the properties. In unit 2nd you will see whole about the bonding in the homo and heteronuclear molecules. Whatever you need you will see here with the questions. Okay, and in the 3rd unit you will see acid and bases and non-aqueous solvents. All the things will be cleared here, and there will also be doubt session, and this course will be in Hindi, and the course is starting from 11th of October. Okay, so if you want to see this course, what you have to do, you have to subscribe the Unacademy platform, and then you have to click on my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10, Priyanka Jain 10. Okay, if you are clicking on my code you will get a 10% discount on the subscription. And here is a special thing for you. In the special classes you have an opportunity to raise the hands. By raising your hand you can clear your doubts in the live session. So subscribe the Unacademy. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching our videos of mark booster questions from GATE 2020. And here I have taken a question from the rotational spectroscopy. What is the question? The frequency in centimeter inverse 1 for pure rotational line in the spectrum of NO molecule due to change in the quantum number from J is equal to 1 to J is equal to 2 is. Here given the moment of inertia of NO is equal to 1.6427 into 10 to power minus 46 kilogram per meter square, and we have given the value of Planck's constant and we have given the velocity of light. Okay, this thing we have given. Okay, the question is from rotational spectroscopy, and I have already made 2 to 3 videos on the rotational spectroscopy's theory. Okay, then we have made the videos on the questions, how to do questions of the rotational spectroscopy, of vibrational spectroscopy, of Raman spectroscopy. All things I have given, so you can watch our playlist of spectroscopy and also the playlist of solved questions from GATE and CSIR NET exam. Okay, so you will get the complete concept there, right? So then if you know about this, then you can do this question very easily. What is the question about? We have to find out the frequency of pure rotational line in a spectrum of NO molecule due to a change in quantum number from J is equal to 1 to J is equal to 2. It means there is a quantum number, this one, J is equal to 1 to J is equal to 2. There is a transition. Okay, so we have to find out the frequency of this line, the line that arises due to this. Okay, you will get in the, if you see the spectrum you will get a line in this manner. Okay, so we have to find out the frequency of this line. See here, if you have seen the video of the rotational spectroscopy, you know that the rotational rotational constant B, the rotational constant B is given by the formula h square upon 8 pi square I. So this value is actually in the second inverse one. Okay, whenever we have to find out this value in centimeter inverse one, what you have to do, you have to divide it by SC. Okay, when you are dividing it by SC, you are getting h upon 8 pi square IC. Okay, this value, right? Now we have to find out the energy. If you are seeing the energy for J is equal to 1, then it will be equal to h upon 8 pi square IC J plus 1. It means this value will be equal to h upon 8 pi square IC. J's value is 1. Okay, 1 1 plus 1, right? This means this will be equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2h upon 8 pi square IC, right? Now similarly, if you are seeing the value of energy for J is equal to 2, then it will be equal to h upon 8 pi square IC, and then put here the value of J plus 1. So this will be, now J is equal to 2, so this value comes h upon 8 pi square IC 2, 2 plus 1. It means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 will be 6. 6h upon 8 pi square IC. So this will be equal to, if you have to find out the energy of the transition, it means del E. Del E means E J is equal to 2 minus E J is equal to 1. So this will be equal to 6h upon 8 pi square IC minus 2h upon 8 pi square IC. This will be equal to 4h upon 8 pi square IC. Okay. So now just you have to put the values here. When you are putting here the values, what you are getting? Del E is equal to 4 into, put here the value of H, 6.6 into 10 to power minus 34. Okay. And divided by 8 into 3.14 square, and then put the value of moment of inertia, 1.64 into 10 to power minus 46. Okay. And then put the value of C, 3 into 10 to power 8. Now you can calculate this. This will come around 681 meter inverse 1. Okay, this value you are getting in meter inverse 1, and you have to find out it in the centimeter inverse 1. So it will be equal to 6.81 centimeter inverse 1. This will be your value. Okay, so this is your answer that you have to find out the frequency of that line. Okay, so in this way you have to do such type of questions, and if you can see my playlist, you will get more easily such type of questions. Okay, so watch the playlist of rotational spectroscopy or spectroscopy. Thank you.